Hey guys. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been a little bit missing. My hair is a different color. But I am now back in business, and today we're going to bring it back with a bang. I am going to be recreating Manny MUA's mermaid halo makeup. As you can tell, I already have my base on. I have my eyelids primed, and we're set to go. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and we are going to bring this into town. Let's get it. Alright, now that we're a little bit zoomed in, I am going to be using the palette he is using today, which is the Smashbox Bold Eye Cover Shot palette. It is just a brights palette, as you can tell. Has a little dark shade right here and some highlighter right here. But he also does use some other pigments, which I do not own. But I do own this little shimmer palette, which will be our substitute today. And I'm going to be using my loose pigment from Crush Gems Cosmetics. It is a cool tone, like highlighter. I'm wearing it right now. Yes. And I'm just going to be putting that on when he puts it on. So I'm going to be looking right here at the screen for Manny's tutorial, and let's get on with it. Alright, so I am going to be using Morphe brushes as well. So let me...
Little fluffy brush. Take this little palette by Smashbox. It's a really fun, colorful palette, which I thought was really pretty. Man, this is a cute ass palette, and I like that it has all the brights in there, and I believe they're pretty pigmented. A little while ago, not a little while ago, this is like a couple months ago, like a lot of people were doing like sponsorships with Smashbox. A lot of them are using these Smashbox palettes in sponsorship posts, which is great. I mean, hell yeah, dude, get that fucking coin. I wasn't part of that. Was not part of that. So I'm gonna take the purple. Dude, pigmented. And I'm gonna put that into the crease. Mainly in just the crease portion, all the way to the inner part of the eye as well. Holy shit, this is actually really pigmented. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, honestly, I'm really impressed with pigmentation so far. Come on, little Smashbox palette. These are bomb. I want this halo eye to be a little bit more on the colorful side. So I thought purple in the crease would be fantastic. Okay, we got the purple in the crease, and now it's time to put in another color. So now I'm gonna go in with that mint color. It's like that really pretty minty shade right here on this little pencil brush. Dang, hella pigmented again. On a Morphe M574. That's gonna go on my actual lid, inner corner. This is where we're gonna be starting to do our halo and into the crease a little bit. I'm like actually praying that this turns out somewhat cute, because if it doesn't, I'm not putting this up. On a real note, guys, I'm living for this color. This mint is so pretty. Put a little bit into the crease as well, just to have it there to mix in with that purple a little bit. Yeah. Leaving the center completely open, as you guys can see. Aw, it's pretty. And now I'm going to take a little clean brush. This is a Wayne Goss 05. You don't need to use this brush. This is a very expensive brush, but I just have it because it's a really small tapered brush. And I'm going to blend between that purple and that mint shade, just so there's a nice, easy transition. They blend actually really nicely and easy together, which is great. Okay, guys, so this is what you should have so far. A nice purple crease, mint on the lid. Oh my god, that's so pretty.
Fuck, who did that?
So now we're going to go ahead and continue on. I'm going to take that same little brush that we were using, that little pencil brush. I'm going to dip a little bit into the darker blue.
I'm going to just add a little bit more purple.
That we were using, that little pencil brush. I'm going to dip a little bit into the darker blue, the bluer shade. I'm going to add that on the most outer corner and inner corner of my halo eye. So you can see right here.
So now we're going to be taking this blue shade right here,
where the mint meets the purple. Honestly, I'm only doing this to add a little bit more depth to the halo eye, just to make it a little bit darker. And on the inner corner as well. Lightly. Okay, guys, so I think I really like how the crease and the eye is turning out so far. I think it looks very pretty, very cute. So now I'm going to take the...
Alright, so this is the part where he takes the pigment, which I do not have. So I am going to be going in with my little palette right here and using the shade I'm going to be using the shade Mist right here with a little bit of the color Champagne. Mist is more of a white and Champagne is more of like a rose gold color. So I am going to be doing that.
Makeup Geek pigment in the shade Telepathic, which is a really pretty golden pink reflect. It's stunning. And I'm going to put that on the center of the lid. I'm just going to use my finger with the pigment because it's just way easier that way for me. And then I'm going to put it in the center of the lid. I'm just going to blend with my brush between. And if you guys thought that...
Okay, so now I'm going to be using my Crush Gems Cosmetics loose pigment on top of the palette I just used.
On the center of my lid. Okay? In the center of the center, actually. Like right there. To give it that extra oomph. Oh, that looks wet. Now taking that purple underneath the lash line, I'm going to smoke it on the outer corner out here. I'm actually going to take it all the way in. Because it's so pretty. Dude, I'm a colorful little vixen tonight, huh? Okay, guys, now for the waterline, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop pencil in the shade Get Paid, which is a really pretty rose copper. Whoa, 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 whoa. Looking at the...
Alright, for my waterline, I am going to be using... I have a lipstick, which is like a rose copper. Let me swatch it right here for you. And I'm just going to be taking my flat brush and going in.
Don't get too excited there, pencil. So I'm gonna put that into the waterline. As you can see, it's a beautiful rose copper. Looking at the purple on the bottom lash line, like, it's cute. I like it. I do. But I don't love it. Grabbing a little bit more of the blue. So I actually wanted to lighten the waterline a little bit, so I'm taking the Tarte nude pencil and lining the waterline to make it a little bit lighter. I think the lighter look is cute. Okay, guys, so for the final step of the actual look, this is what it looks like so far. I think it's turned out so pretty. It's so cute. It's just like a fun look. I just love purple in the crease. It just makes me geek, you know? I'm gonna add a little bit of a gem down here on my lower lashes, like right there. It's like a really cute trend going on right now, is adding the little gems on the lower lash line. I think it's adorable.
I don't really have the gems right now, so I'm also gonna skip that part. But I will put a little bit of that pigment I had earlier and put a little dot of it underneath my eye.
Yeah, don't mess it up, talking at kids. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that make me crazy.
Alright, so now that this is done, this is the look so far. I am going to pop some lashes on, doing my liner. So I'm going to zoom in for that because he doesn't really do that on the camera. So I will zoom in and show you what I do. Alright. Alright, so I kind of took off the little white dots underneath my eye because they were bugging me. But now I'm going to do my liner. And I am going to be using the NYX vinyl liner. And just do a quick little wing.
That's it.
Alright, so now that my wing liner is done, I'm going to just pop some lashes on and then we will finish with the lip. Boom! Alright, so you see I have some lashes on. I didn't want too big lashes because then it's going to hide the makeup. But I am going to show you which lashes I used. I used these Kiss lashes. They come in a pack of 6 and I believe they were like $8 to $10. This is the number 62013. You get 5 of them. Let's see if I can get this to focus. They're pretty wispy. I'll show you right here. But I really like these because they're just kind of natural. But they do their job for lashes. But as you know how Manny put the jewel under his eye. Well, I don't have jewels, but you guys know my signature glitter on. And I just got some new glitters from Crush Gems Cosmetics, and I am so in love with them. It is not even funny. I'm sorry, I'm trying to choose a color as I am talking, which is probably not the smartest idea. So these are just some of the colors that I do have. They're very, very pigmented. I love them to death. These are my favorite. I think today we are going to do this purple one right here. Just put that in the inner corner of my eye. You know how I do it.
Clock strikes upon the hour and the sun begins to.
I don't think the purple is enough, so I'm also going to go in with this white shimmer. It has like a pink, purple, blue undertone to it, and we're just gonna put that kind of right on top of the picture.
1, 2, 3.
I'll just do a quick little zoom in just so you can see what it looks like, and alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in today and watching my video. If you guys want to keep up with me on my social media, keep up with me on Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat, which I will put at the end of the video. Today's video idea was shown on my Twitter. Yesterday I held a poll which lasted a day, which obviously this one won. So keep up with my Twitter if you want to know more. Add me on Snapchat to see exclusive content. Go on my Instagram to see other looks I've done and maybe some giveaways I'll be holding. And I guess that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure you comment down below your favorite part and which YouTuber I should do next. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. So I guess that's it. Stay glowing, everybody. Bye.